Ciao. Anyway, so
Hello guys, so before I just start this everyday update for this meditation challenge, I'm gonna post all the meditation that I listen to in the description box down below, and I'm gonna mention every one of them in the in everyday update. And I guess so far to this day there's one meditation only that I can find, but I'm gonna look for it. If I'm gonna find it, it's for Sadhguru, the love and relationship meditation. It's amazing for feeling love inside of you, like love, absolute love. It's amazing. I'm gonna search for it. I really hope that I'm gonna find it, and when I did, I'm gonna post it in the description box down below. So every meditation that I use or listen to in this week, in this video, I'm gonna link in the description box down below for you if you wanna go in the same steps that I'm going through. And because I experience different things with different meditations, and it really helps me too much, so I really wanted to share every step and every detail with you. So everything you're gonna find it in the description box down below, and let's go into it and let's share my update with you about this meditation challenge. I really hope you like it, and I really hope it will help any one of you. Okay, so let's do it. So I decided to do a 30 days or 15 days or maybe a week, right? I still don't know, a meditation challenge. So I was going through a lot of stuff the last couple of weeks. I experienced a lot of different emotions, ups and downs, in a very rapid way. So I decided to give a meditation a try because my mind kind of in a very active mind, and sometimes really drives me crazy when it works really really fast. So I really wanted something to like tune it down a little bit, so to calm my brain a little bit, because I have a lot of thoughts all at once, and some of them are really positive and some of them are really negative. And I had a lot of anger, sadness, frustration, a lot of negative emotion in the last couple of weeks. So I decided to give a meditation a try to see if it's gonna calm myself down and go really into it, and see if it's gonna help me to control my mind a little bit, to slow it down so I can have more focus and a clear thinking in what I'm going through and what I'm gonna do with my life and manifestation and all this stuff, because it's really important for me. So this is after the first day. So I wanted to give it a try to help me, as I told you, if it's gonna tune my brain down and make it think a little bit slower and have more focus. So I finished the first day, and at the beginning, usually when I do meditation before, I feel more having more focus in the meditation than I experienced the last two meditation that I made. I started I started at evening, and the second one was a morning. So we are evening time now. So in a couple of hours, I will go for my third meditation, which is my next day. So anyway, the first two was I felt like a failure. I didn't have any focus. My brain was going all over the place. I had a lot of thoughts, and it was so hard to concentrate. It was so hard to focus on one point. So what I did, just focusing on my breath when I feel lost, begin to think on other things like my situations, my current reality, how I'm gonna do it, and all these thoughts. I begin when I have them, I begin to focus on my breath, the inhale, exhale, and just try to not to stop thinking, but focusing on something on my body, which is my breath, which has really helped me so much. So why I'm doing this video and why I'm doing the meditation and stay consistent in it, first to share my experience with you, because if it really works for me, I guess we're gonna help a lot of people. So I wanted to share my experience and my challenge with you. And a second, to make myself do it, having more discipline, because I became thinking I need to do it because for me, and I am making a video of it. So multiple reasons to be more disciplined, because I know myself. So why not? So let's use that for my benefit. So So I really wanted to be consistent in doing this because after the second meditation, actually, which was this morning, I felt like I have no focus. My mind was all over the place. I began to think about like a lot of negative things all at once. So I thought it was a failure, but actually, you know what? After like after I wake up, because I did it when I was kind of in a drowsy state, on my bed. After I wake up and took a shower and begin to feel like fresh and super, I begin to feel way better actually, and begin to feel like I'm having a lot of good energy and just was like, oh my god, that's amazing, and I still have this energy. So I'm gonna keep doing that and gonna see how it's gonna work. So overall, first day is a success. I feel completely different from before I did my meditation, and I feel like I'm more happier and like calm inside. So I'm gonna keep continue doing this for the next day, and I'm gonna share with you what's gonna happen. So every day I'm gonna record like 1 minute or 1 minute and a half for every day, sharing my experience with you guys. I don't know if it's gonna be 1 day challenge, like for one video challenge. Sorry, for 30 days, or I'm gonna make it like every 15 or 7 days. I'm still thinking about it, but anyway, I'm gonna record my experience as I go, and I really hope that will help me because like having a really active brain, and I love meditation actually, but I was never really consistent in doing it. So I guess it's time to do it to change my life because I really want to do that. I really want to like I feel, when you feel inside that you have the calling, there's a calling for you to do something, and I feel that, and so why not? So let's do it. So I'm gonna share that with you guys, and I really hope that will be helpful for someone out there if it's struggling like me or having a really active mind like mine.